Hi, so today we'll be discussing about Amazon EC2. What is EC2? First of all, you find EC2 under the services option that is over here. So first of all, I would like to tell you what exactly is EC2. EC2 is a web service that provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud. I mean, this is a very technical term, but yeah, we should be knowing this. So what exactly Amazon EC2 does, it basically reduces the time required to obtain and boot a particular server, a particular new server, boot a new server in minutes. You don't need to wait for, a couple of hours or something. It just works within minutes. You can even scale it. You can scale it up, you can scale it down. So that is what EC2 does. It is very quick. So what exactly EC2? Now what we'll be doing is we'll be launching the EC2 instance. So first of all, you need to go and click on launch instance option, and there are many. You can choose any of these operating systems. I would say the virtual machines as your EC2 instance. But what we'll be doing, we'll be using Amazon Linux 2 AMI for our whole course, and I've selected this. Now again, I'll be using the free tier one. So it's mentioned the free one. You can just select the option. This one is a free tier one. So I'll just just click next. Yeah, so now we'll be configuring this particular instance. So we just want one instance, and now if you want, you can check this as well as, but again, it'll cost you money. So if you don't want that, just keep it, just uncheck it. So what exactly now we'll not be changing anything in this. We'll just be enabling termination protection. Like in case, if you accidentally click on that particular, just delete this particular instance. Now it'll ask you multiple questions before just deleting it. So again, we'll be keeping everything default. You don't need to make any changes in this. Just go to next. So now the volume type is root. Okay, so you've been given, this is all by default. You can even add a volume, and the only difference between the volume is that you have different hard disk types, but in root you don't have. In root you have only 3 SSD provisioned and magnetic, but in the other volume type you have various. You have cold HDD and throughput optimized HDD. So yeah, but we don't need that. So we are just happy to go with root. Now we'll go and add tags, right? So now you can add tag. It depends on, it can be anything. You can just, for example, it is something university. University and student only. Yep. So yeah, you've created it. So now we are configuring the security group. You can just say that we are creating a web server, for example. Web server. Now that's web server. Perfect. And if you want, you can add a rule. As we are going for a web server, so you can just select HTTP and let it be custom. So this exactly means that it's for all ingoing as well as for the outgoing traffic. So that's all you want right now, and we'll just review launch. So we're just seeing, okay, perfect. It's giving you the whole options, giving you the whole details about the instance that is about to be created. So we have selected everything free. We are not paying for this. Remember that. Now I'll just click on launch. So now this is a very important thing. So now what we'll be doing is we'll be creating, you can create a new pair of key, so that whenever, it's basically used for asymmetric encryption. You'll be using 2 pairs over here. when that is a public key which you'll be creating right now, and later on you'll be creating a private key as well. So yeah, let's say my new key. Now you just download the pair. Oh, it tells my new key, just change the name. So now you've created a new key and launch instances. So finally, now we can just see the log. Yep, it's successful. So now you've finally launched a new instance. You can just see that it's pending, but yeah, finally you've launched it. It takes few minutes to launch, and this is the description about the instance, and the public IP for the instance is this, which is very important. I mean, using this IP you can access this particular instance publicly. Yeah, so that's it for the video. In the later video I'll be just discussing about I'll be basically running a web server on this particular instance. That's it for the video, and if you have any questions, just mention in the comment section. Thank you.